What's up guys, Pix back at it for another YouTube video. Today we're going to be dropshipping with my net worth, $0.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
So guys, for dropshipping we need three things: the product, the website and the ads. For the product, I've chosen this glass ink pen. It looks pretty cool. I think we'll be able to sell some. Its search rate on Google was also pretty high, so I think it'll sell a lot. And we have lots of content online which we can use as ads for this thing. And for the website, I'll be using Shopify, but I'll have to use the 15-day free trial because I'm broke. So guys, I made the website. This is the website. I went for a pretty minimalistic theme, just black and white. I used the Debeautify theme in Shopify. I put the features below the product. They're the different colors you can choose from for the pen. I've even imported the reviews so it seems more legit. But guys, we have a problem here. Our link looks like a scam. It looks like a place where you're probably selling some illegal stuff because of the .shopify logo. But unfortunately, I can't buy a domain because that would defeat the whole purpose of the whole challenge. So I made a Linktree address that made it look less shady and not like a place where people are selling children. And I made the Linktree address look really fancy, so it seems pretty legit. And once people enter the website, they're not going to be looking at the top, so it doesn't really matter. So guys, now we're just going to sell some products, because for each product the customer buys, they get a product. That's a pretty good deal. I think people are just going to buy it automatically because for each product they buy, they get a product. That's really good. Just kidding guys, we obviously got to advertise. There's no way we can sell products without advertising. I know what you people must be thinking. How are you going to advertise with $0? There's no way you can get that product out there with just $0. But fortunately, I have two Instagram pages, one with 40k followers and one with almost 200k followers, and we're going to be advertising on these pages. Luckily, these pages are in the art niche, so our pen should go perfectly with these pages. So guys, I'm about to put a post on the page with 40k followers, and I'm going to put a story also today, and we'll see how that turns out. So guys, it's currently the end of the first day, and the post that we posted today didn't do that well. I thought it would do well because it went with the theme of the page, but it actually didn't do that well. But the story that we posted did really well. But unfortunately, people don't give stories much attention, and our sales for the first day, as expected, was 0. But don't worry, I still haven't advertised on my page with 200k followers, and I haven't done a full ad campaign on both pages. So guys, I'm about to put a post on my page with 200k followers right now, and I'm going to put into the story. Really innovative story. I've put, you can put the slider on your favorite color of the pen we're selling. So I think that story should get quite good engagement, and we should get some sales hopefully. So guys, it's currently the next day, and the post that I put on my page with 200k followers unfortunately didn't do that well, but the story did okay. Wasn't expecting anything good, so as expected, the sales again was 0. But I still haven't given up hope. Today I'm about to put a post on both pages. I'm about to put two posts on my 200k page, and I'm going to put a post on my second page and see how it goes. I found these posts from an artist online. We're going to be crediting the artist. If the artist has a problem, then we'll take it down, but I'll credit the artist. Usually they don't have a problem because they're getting exposure on the page, and we're going to be adding link in bio if you want this pen. Luckily it's the same pen. So I'm going to put two posts on my main page, and I'm going to put one post on my second page and see what happens. So guys, it's currently the end of the second day, and one of the posts we put yesterday absolutely bombed. It didn't do well at all, but luckily the other two posts did really well. One got like almost 40,000 views while the other got 30,000 views. So with that many views, we bound to get some sales, you know. Drum roll for the reveal. We got a total of one sale. That's right, we got a total of one sale by getting a total of 70,000 views, more than 70,000 including the posts that didn't do well at all, and that's just one sale we got. That's kind of sad. But our profit on this is around $20, so that $20 should probably cover a domain. I searched how much the domain would cost. It costs $14, so we covered for the domain, and I have $6 left, and that I can use as advertising, so it's not a total loss. That one sale is a motivator for me to go on. I think the problem here was that I'm poor. I think the problem here was not a proper domain. I didn't think people paid much attention, but maybe that's the reason people didn't buy. I checked in the analytics, there were lots of people heading towards checkout, but not many people bought. So I think that might have been a factor that led to low sales. But this actually isn't a total loss, because I had made an Instagram for my store, and that Instagram page got around 400 followers from all these posts and all. So I think I'll be able to grow that Instagram page more and sell a few products, and now brand looks more legit because it has 400 followers, around 400 followers on Instagram, and following very few people. So my store looks pretty legit, and that might be a factor that helps me increase my sales in the future. Guys, I'm definitely going to keep growing my Shopify dropshipping page. I just won't have to pay the $30. At that point it won't be $0 anymore, but that doesn't matter because the video is over. I'm planning to grow the Shopify page even more, might experiment with some ads, but In this video we had to spend $0, and as you can see we turned $0 into $20. Have you ever seen an interest rate like that? I know you haven't. All constant give it. That's an infinity percent growth rate. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you want more productivity content like this one,